No, not just important, but very, very
One
weird.
at a time.
Very, very
One at a
strange.
time.
I won't believe what's happening,
Whoa,
Tara.
right. Yeah. All the T's are running away.
Yep.
What? Run that by me one more time.
Well, the T's on the Sesame Street sign ran away.
And look, the T in the Hooper store sign ran away.
Yeah, let's go. And when I wrote my name, look what happened.
That says Ellie, not Telly.
I know. The letter T in my name got up and ran away.
Wow, that is really weird.
Sarah, have you tried typing anything with the letter T on your computer today?
No, not yet, but I'm going to try right now. You know, Telly, my name starts with the letter T also.
Hey, that's right. Tara starts with the letter T.
So I'm going to type my name on this computer and see what happens. Here's the key for the letter T. That starts my name. T-A-R-A-H. Tara.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. The T's on the computer ran away.